Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a compilation of beautiful boho braid styles. If any of y'all would like to book with or follow any of these awesome braiders, all of their social medias will be credited below in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Bohemian knotless braids, also known as boho knotless braids, have been gaining incredible popularity lately, and for good reason. It's a beautiful, versatile, and convenient option for those looking to protect their natural hair while rocking a chic, trendy look. Let's talk about why boho knotless braids are becoming so popular. The Bohemian aesthetic is all about effortless beauty and natural elegance, and these braids perfectly capture that vibe. Unlike traditional braids, knotless braids start with your natural hair and gradually incorporate extensions, which gives them a more seamless, natural look. The addition of curly or wavy strands throughout the braids adds that signature boho flair, creating a style that's both carefree and sophisticated. One of the main reasons people are loving knotless braids is their convenience. Traditional braids can sometimes cause tension on the scalp because of the knot used to secure the extensions. Knotless braids, on the other hand, start without that initial knot, making them much gentler on your hair and scalp. This reduces the risk of breakage and makes the braiding process more comfortable. Plus, because they're lighter, they put less strain on your head, making them perfect for long-term wear. Boho knotless braids are also an excellent protective style. This style allows you to give your hair a break from constant manipulation and heat styling, which is crucial for maintaining healthy hair. And the best part? You can still switch up your look by playing with different lengths, colors, and the types of curls or waves you add in. Now, let's talk about the cost. The price for getting boho knotless braids can vary depending on several factors, including your location, the length and size of the braids, and the stylist's experience. On average, you can expect to pay anywhere from $150 to $400. While this might seem like a significant investment, it's important to remember that this style can last anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks with proper care, making it a cost-effective option in the long run. So, whether you're looking for a low-maintenance style for your busy lifestyle, a protective option to promote healthy hair growth, or just want to try something new and trendy, boho knotless braids might be the perfect choice for you. They're stylish, convenient, and protective, offering a beautiful way to embrace the bohemian spirit while caring for your natural hair. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips and style inspirations.